Yeah, man, you know Jamaicans, we build New York. Yeah, man. So what's up? No problem, my brother, man. No problem. All right, family. So you know, what I mean, that's a lot of people blowing up my business WhatsApp line. So they come into Kenya, family. So as you guys know, Kenya is the next big thing. I'm actually picking up another brother now. I'm at a place called Gulf View. Picking up my brother. I'm gonna take him to get his M-Pesa, family. As you guys know, M-Pesa is the thing. Yeah, man. What's up? Happy Sunday, man.
Hey, brother.
So let's go. We're gonna go to Surge Center to help you to get that M-Pesa set up on a local line. So you know what I mean. So let's go. So how is everything? How is your Sunday?
Good.
Good.
Peaceful.
Peaceful and nice.
Got me a little bit to eat.
Yeah.
I need to be more mobile.
Oh,
and first things first, I want to get me a phone, get that M-Pesa. How much you think all this gonna cost me?
Oh, so to get a SIM card is like 100 shilling, man. And to get your M-Pesa is like free, so it costs you nothing.
So how do you put money on the?
Alright, so you go to an M-Pesa shop. It's just like Bitcoin. You guys just go and deposit the money to them, and it comes to your account. You see the money on your phone, and then when somebody want to pay, they have like a till number. It's like a unique number. Every business got that number. So that number now, you just send the money to that number.
So how do you do it online? Can you do it online like Cash App in the States?
Yeah, so you have an app that you download. So you download the app, and then the app is everything.
And the app is going to get the money from my bank?
Well, you have a thing called Wise, SendWave, and Remitly.
Okay.
But Wise, you can sign up for Wise, and what you do, you link your bank account to Wise, your American account. When you transfer US dollars to Wise, you convert it to Kenyan shillings from Wise, and then you send it to your M-Pesa. But Remitly and SendWave, you can actually send it directly. Like the M-Pesa option is there for you to put in your number and send it directly. But I use Wise because you know what I mean, it's best for if you have a bank account, your money's in your bank account. I don't know how Remitly work and SendWave, but I know Wise work, so I can show you how to get Wise. You download it. It's a same day thing, and you connect up your account and thing.
I thought Wise was a app that you
So
found
Wave,
directions.
So you have Wise.
Oh, okay.
And you have Waves.
Okay.
Waves.
I'm looking at Waves. And you...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll help you to get all of that. I'll send you a link for you to sign up with Wise, and then you can go ahead and start to send money to your M-Pesa. It's so cool, and it's so digital, man. Kenya is so digital, and everything is easy. You don't have to walk with cash. Right? So
Okay.
yeah, so that's how it is, man. So guys, let's go. Yeah, family. So we're now actually in Surge Center, and my brother is gonna get his SIM card and his M-Pesa. And he said he also want to do some grocery shopping and stuff. So we're here in Surge Center, getting his money, and his way to pay set up, family. So yeah, so as you guys can see, guys, was another brother that actually called me saying that he and his wife coming in and stuff like that, guys. So people are coming in, family, and you know what I mean, they've been thinking about coming. The time is now. Pull up and show up. So all right, family, let's go. Yeah, family, so when you come to Kenya, the first thing you want to do is get your M-Pesa set up, because most of the time you're gonna have problems because people here don't really use cash. Everything is M-Pesa. Even when you take the Bolt and the Uber, they use M-Pesa, family. So it's always good to get your M-Pesa set up when you come to Kenya. That's a must, because that's the way to pay. All right, so let's go. Yeah, family, so while I'm outside waiting for my brother, I'm just thinking, family, and I'm saying to myself that when you first come into a country, it's kind of difficult because you don't know how that country run. Every country run different family. So, you know, for people who just come to Kenya, you need some guidance, family. You're gonna need how to get your M-Pesa and stuff. And as I said before, family, Kenya is the only African country you can go. Not the only African country, but I'm saying it's a country you can go and instantly you can actually start to actually, you know, use local currency and have access to actually banking. Most countries you go, you have to be a resident. It's, you know, you have to go to the ATM. It's hard for you to actually, you know what I mean, get a bank account and get set up with banking. But with Kenya, it's easy, family. So you don't have to be have no permit or anything. Once you're visiting, you have access and ways how to spend money. So that's just my, you know, what I'm thinking about. I'm saying to myself that most people when they come, they actually need guidance. And that's why Jam Tours is here for you to actually help you to get set up the right and correct way, scam free. Yeah, family. So I take my brother to Kafo to do some shopping. I'm just staying for 2 weeks, so I'm just want to get some juice and some little knickknacks and to snack on when he's in his hotel, family. So Jam Tours Africa active, and we are do the thing. When you come forward, link up with Jam Tours family. You can't go wrong and you can't get scammed. You hear that? So Kafo have everything. Have some fresh juice. If they want some fresh juice, so we take him to get some fresh juice, family. And these are the fresh juice, right? Freshly squeezed and juice, family. So quality of life there in Kenya. Just come forward, feed, family. Continue watching. Yeah, family. So I'm just actually, you know, leaving Surge Center. We're actually heading to Jamrock. I heard that another Jamaican brother just flying, so we're gonna meet him up and thing. Yeah, my brother. So, you enjoy Jam Tour so far? How was you know what I mean?
Well, I enjoyed the company, the information.
Okay.
I don't feel I have to make any mistakes. You know, some people want to try on their own.
Yeah, you want to try on your own. That's when you get that's when you meet a lot of problems, man.
But we already have somebody, you know, that traveled the road already and is sharing information.
Information is the new currency. Once you have information, you can make a whole lot of money.
Feel real comfortable.
Yeah. So, yeah, man, I just want you guys to know that. And I was just thinking about everything. Some of the most interesting conversation that we're having is when we're driving, coming down. And I was telling him about Grespreneur and how awesome that opportunity is for you to actually, you know, own an apartment in the middle of Westlands, family. So, you know what I mean? Yeah, and my brother was saying, so when you come, I was talking to him and telling him that when you come, you have to figure out what you want. You want something for investment or you want something to live. So for most people, they'll come and you still have your job. You know what I mean? You can't just throw away your job and just come to Africa. It doesn't work like that. You have to keep your income and then you create another income. So that's the reason when Jam Tours come in now, we tell you to actually invest in this off-plan opportunity. Go back to your country, work and pay for it. And when it's done, you come live in it, experience it, and then you can actually sell it back. You can actually, you know, put it on Airbnb. You can even make the company actually manage it for your family. So that's how it is, family. So yeah, so you have to come with a plan. Once you come with a plan and you link up with Jam Tours, I'll guide you in the right direction, family. So let's go, family. Have anything you want to tell them, my brother?
If you want to be mistake free.
Yeah.
you don't need to make the mistakes.
Yeah.
Lose money.
Yes.
Be stressed out. And Jam Tours is holding me by the hand.
Yeah, for sure, man. And worse, when you're actually in a little age and you retire and stuff, you know that, you know what I mean, it's easy for people to actually, you know what I mean, you know, take advantage of you. You know what I mean?
Yes.
When you're at age, you know, sometimes you're not really new to the technology, you know, you're new to a country, and you know, you just, you know, most people don't travel a lot. So a lot of people actually, maybe it's the first time traveling outside of the US. And just imagine coming to a place like Africa, which is so different, totally everything is different. You know what I mean?
Confusing.
It's very confusing. It's the first time in Africa. How do you find it so far? Could you like do things by yourself, like without, you know what I mean?
I don't even try to, you know.
Yeah.
I let the those who have traveled the road guide me.
Yeah.
And I've had a few people since I've been here.
Yeah.
Jam tours, you know, picking me up from the airport, taking me to get the things that I need, to get my phone transferred where I can do business in Africa is important. And since I'm over here, I like to try to do business without, as they say, being scammed.
Yeah. Yeah, man, that's the thing. Most people, when they see you as an American, they see you like a ATM pin. They want to just tell you for this. They want to double everything. They want to tell you the price is this, and you know, and to you it look cheap because remember you're coming with the exchange rate. So for you it's gonna look cheap. You're only gonna feel the pain when you settle in and you become a local and start understand prices. That's when you're gonna realize and say, oh shit, I shouldn't pay for this and I shouldn't pay this. And most of the time they even charging you, they want to charge you in US dollars. It's crazy, family. So, you know what I mean, these are the things I'm trying to say to people because I don't want you to come to make the mistake because you might not be strong like me, and you know, losing your money is very hard at a certain age where you know you cannot make it back. You know what I mean? It's very hard. So like me, it was maybe different because I do the right thing and try to get my thing back. But for you might get scammed in a different way where you cannot get nothing back.
Right.
Yeah, family, so we're heading to Jamrock. Like, share and comment on this video. Let's go. Yeah, she loves this Jamaican food. Yeah, so you're really enjoying the food, right?
Yeah, man. Like I say, I got some in the refrigerator right now.
Yeah.
If I should get like a little appetite,
yeah,
because it's still early.
Yeah,
I could just warm it up.
Yeah, family. So we just came back from Jamrock, and my brother eat up some Jamaican food, and I'm loving it. So when you come, Jamrock Restaurant, Brookside, BW Park, Business Park. That's where we hang out and chill out, and you can meet a lot of other foreigners and people who come from where you come from. Yeah.
Turn left.
I'm not even close to being gone, but
yeah,
I'm already thinking, you know, I gotta show my family this. You know,
because they'll be saying that, you know what I mean, you know, it's just your second time here and you're enjoying it so much. Yeah.
I tell you, I'm gonna be honest with you, brother.
Yeah.
It's nice, you know, not to have to deal with the white man as much as possible, you know.
Yeah.
And the mentality that Black Americans have toward each other, and toward life in general, they don't think that there's nothing else.
Yeah.
Like if you're not getting it from the white man, then it ain't good.
It ain't good. Yeah.
That's what they believe. That's what they've been taught.
Yeah. It's
hard to establish something in their land.
Yeah.
That's their country.
That's their country that they build it. That's, you know what I mean? That's the thing. You cannot actually, what you think all of these, like PDD and all of these things, getting all of these charges and stuff, because, you know, once you start to get too high, you want to own a lot of stuff. That's what they'll do.
See, P. Diddy was on record, you know, with other black millionaires, billionaires, you know, saying that we need to come together.
Yeah.
And they got rid of him.
Yeah.
You know, Bill Cosby, he was trying to get a company, a network company. You know, and so who controls the TV, the network, the airways, control the people.
Yeah, control the people. Yeah.
So when he was trying to do that, they said, "No, sir, you don't do that in this country. You must have forgot where you were.
Yeah.
we let you get that high.
We let you get that. Yeah, and what they do, it's like a facade, because they would allow you to do all the illegal things them when them with you and you with them. They allow you to do everything that is actually illegal. But until you do something wrong, you piss them off in some way, you're trying to get more than what you're supposed to get. You actually outsmart them and something. Then they start to say, oh, they start to pull out of these things, and then use the same law them create.
Let me go back 20, 30 years on you if we have to.
Yeah.
We gonna take you out.
Yeah.
He came out, he was a humble man.
Yeah. I'm telling you, man.
Brought him back down to earth, lock him up a little while. I said, we know you ain't did nothing, old man, but you know, we got to break you down a little bit.
Yeah,
you come back out, you ain't heard nothing from him.
You know,
You trying to buy no company now.
you're trying to do nothing. Yeah, you're trying to do it. Yeah, that's so true. Yeah, because it's
take that money we let you make.
Yeah.
And see yourself off into the sun.
Just
the sunset.
It's all right.
You ain't finna try to change America.
Yeah.
we built this thing.
Yeah, so that's the thing, and that's the reason why I want to promote Africa. So come back to Africa, you have that power here. You have that power here in Africa, and that's why we encourage you to come back. You know what I mean? All of these big millionaires and billionaires sitting down there and feel like, yo, you know what I mean? Your generation now get nothing. They want to find a way to take back everything.
You know, when I first started looking at Africa,
Yeah.
I wanted to, you know, make a decent living.
Yeah.
You know, I just want my place in the sun.
Yeah.
But what I'm seeing is there's so much more potential.
Yeah.
It's hard to ignore.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of our people are doing it, and it's like, why not join in?
Yeah.
And help?
Yeah.
You know, that's why I'm thinking about my grandson. He's 16.
Yeah.
Smart young man. He ain't wilding out.
Yeah.
You know, guide him. You know, he can come here and mix with the young generation.
Yeah, the new generation. Yeah. Yeah.
Because you know, like in America, them Negroes, man, they so selfish.
In 800 meters, at the roundabout,
The young man,
take the second exit.
they want to take it to the death.
Yeah.
You know, till they 80, 90 years old, still trying to hold office. You know, like Biden.
Yeah.
Man, you don't think a 30-year-old, 40-year-old man could do your job? You a great grandfather. Why are you trying to run the country? You know, sit your ass down somewhere. You know, what's the sense in having a family, children, if you ain't gonna let them do shit?
Yeah, that's so true. Okay, yeah, I didn't think about that.
Like, I'm not trying to outdo my children.
Yeah.
Y'all are younger, quicker.
Yeah.
You know, I put the work in so you could get to this point.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to hold on to it forever.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like when we started doing our family reunions,
In 200 meters,
we started
at the roundabout,
young crowd,
take the second exit.
like in their 30s, college graduates and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You know, instead of the old heads trying to hold on to it forever.
Yeah.
How you do it like this? I'm like, man, sit your ass down. Relax. Enjoy it. You know, let them do what they do.
Yeah, man, that's so true, man.
At the roundabout,
My son,
take the second exit.
he called me, that's the first one. That would be the first one. That would be the second one, right?
I think I'm going up here.
Okay.
Second exit. It's not up here. I think I should go second exit. This one is second exit.
In 800 meters, at the roundabout, take the third exit.
Yeah, so as you were saying.
Yeah, my son, you know, he texted me yesterday and he, you know, asked me how I was doing, but I told him, man, I said, yeah, everything's going fine. I said, you would love it.
Yeah.
You know, he don't want to work for nobody.
Yeah.
You know, so
yeah, man, that's the perfect, once it, with that mindset.
Yeah.
In 200 meters, at the roundabout, take the third exit.
I know him see opportunity. That's the thing, you know, you see a man come in Africa with entrepreneurial spirit, they actually see the opportunity. You're not looking for a job, you're looking to create jobs. Yeah.
When I get back, man, I'm gonna try to get him into digital.
At the roundabout, take the third exit.
You can make him sell something online or whatever it is.
Online work.
Yeah, online jobs or whatever.
You ain't gotta worry about going to work, being on time.
Yeah, so yeah, that actually trained his mind now. That actually trained his mind. Yeah, family, so we're coming to the end of this video. I want you to like and share and comment, family. Tell a friend to tell a friend. The easiest thing you can do in this time is to share this video with somebody who you think or want to relocate to Africa, family. This can be a perfect video for them to actually be inspired and want to come, family. So like, share and comment on this video. God bless Jamaica. I'm out.